Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I received some gift cards back at my birthday, which is around Christmas. I received gift cards from Unboxing with Arlene and Tea Time Adventures. Very sweet of them to do that for me. I really appreciate it. It took me a while to figure out what I wanted to spend the money on. They were Amazon gift cards, by the way, and so I finally have picked everything. So I'm going to show you what I got. One thing that I've been wanting to try for a while are the MagSafe products. I don't know if you know what they are, but if you have an iPhone, and also I think it works with iPads and things like that. I don't know enough about it. I just know that I have an iPhone. That's all I have. And it starts series 12 to the present. And they used to use MagSafe years ago, and then they stopped it for a while, and now they're back to using it again. It is a series of magnets that's placed around the iPhone, the internal charging coil, which senses other MagSafe compatible accessories and snaps seamlessly and securely into place. MagSafe will only attach to other compatible MagSafe accessories, so there's no need to worry about other magnets interfering or getting stuck on your phone, it says. What is the purpose of MagSafe? Apple's MagSafe wireless charging provides optimal magnetic alignment for faster, more efficient charging. MagSafe wireless charging includes technologies that reduce energy waste when compared to other wireless charging methods. So I have a charging pad by my bed, and I put my phone on that every night. And sometimes my phone charges and sometimes it doesn't, because if a cat walks past it and moves it, so what this technology does is it will hold it securely because there's a magnet in there. So I started off with a case. I've already been using it. My phone is recording. So this is the case, and there's many brands of cases out there. I just like this one, I don't know, just because. And this ring, you can use, to hold on to or to carry. The magnet is going to fit here. So when this is on my phone, or without the phone, honestly, because the magnet's in the phone, this will secure to several things that I purchased. So this is the Smart Case. That's the brand if you're interested in it. It came in colors, but I didn't get a color. I got the clear. I got a magnetic phone holder. This is, I don't see a brand name on it, ROHS. And I can't show you this completely because I put it in my car, and I'm telling you, it was not easy. It was very difficult to install. So once I got it in there, I couldn't get it out again. But basically, it has a ring. This, it comes with some extra things. This you could put on your vent. This little clip, this moves out and in to fit your vent. So it would go behind your vent and then stick out like this. And the part that has the magnet in it goes onto this ball. So that's the thing. I have this in my car. This has 3M adhesive on it. Peel that off, stick it on your dashboard. And that ball right there, it snaps onto that ball, and and then you have to adjust it. And I could not get that off to show you. So it's a round magnet. It's just a black thing that sits in that ball. So when you go in the car, you just take your phone and you put it on there, and it grabs onto this. So it fits perfectly. I hope I'm explaining this well. I don't know very much about it myself. So I also got a charging station for my bedside table. So this is, again, not much information on it. It's three times faster, it says. That's part of the MagSafe, is that it's faster at charging. So this charger comes with your USB port. I haven't used this yet. This just came in the mail today. So I finally got all the pieces, so that's what I'm showing it. So this will plug in, and then there is the connector to this. This is, Camille sat down on top of everything. This is the pad. So this will plug in here, and then it'll charge your phone. So what this will do, It's white on one side. You can see that. I could get white or I could get black. I chose white. And then it's metal on the other side. I think this is going to be the, you know, the part that lays on, that's up. And then it's going to hook onto that, and then the cats are not going to be able to knock it off. So, because the power of the phone's going to stay in the case. See, right now what I have to do every night, I have to take my case off of my phone. So that's difficult too, because you break the case and all these other things. So that is my MagSafe. Now, I think that's all that I want to show you about the MagSafe. Of course, things are dropping now. Then I got this. I really love this. I have this brand. It's Tervis, and this is a insulated cup. You can put hot in here, or what I do is I use this for cold. I have plenty of hot ones. This one's for cold. I haven't tried it yet. I just thought it was so cute. I have a Tervis cup that I use every day. I put ice and water in here, and I take it with me to work. I bring a lot of water with me to work. So it's a very secure fit, as you can see. It does not come with a straw, but it has this, you can drink out of here, or you can put a straw in there. There's plenty of room for a straw, and I have plenty of straws, and that's inside there. It is, I think this one was 20 ounces. It is 24 ounces, yay. It says that this one's called Cat Sayings. So it says, I like my cat better than most people. Home is where the cat is. All you need is love and a cat. It's all about my cat. Be the person your cat thinks you are. Every life should have 9 cats. I like, okay, and then we're back. Cats welcome. People tolerated. So then it has a bunch of cats on it, and it's just super cute. I just love it. But you know, I do iced coffee. You can do hot drinks in here also, but I like to use that for cold. So then I got this crazy contraption. This came a little smashed up. The product itself is fine. They're all walking around here, so I'm sorry. Now this is going to be weird because this is called a tobacco chopper. So I'm going to show it to you. It looks like a flashlight. It says aluminum handheld chopper. So this is it. Now this came in different colors, like, you know, metallic red, metallic blue. The black was cheaper. The others were, like, because they had colors, they were more dollars. So I went for the most inexpensive. I wanted my gift cards to go as far as they could go. Did they move the camera? They may have. So what this is, it takes some batteries. It has this thing to hold it. This here, let's see. I haven't really looked at it. This unscrews from here. There's instructions or something on there. See, these are some little blades going on here. So you can cut your own tobacco, or you can do what else it's called is a makeup chopper. So I have some palettes that are broken, and I wanted to be able to fix my palettes that are broken. So I have I have 1 or 2 that I am going to practice on, and I'm going to make a video about it. We're going to see how it works, and I'll put the eyeshadow in here, and then you know, close it up nice and tight, and it'll chop up so that I can put it back into the pan and press it. And with that all done, it's really cool. It's very interesting. I really researched this a little bit. There's many different kinds. There's many different pricing. I went with an inexpensive one. This was under $10, I do believe, or right around $10. And if you look up makeup, I don't even remember what I looked up, but it's this particular one is called a tobacco chopper. So then I got this kit, and this is called Moon Moose. And look how cute that is. If there's an astronaut and all that. This I looked into also. This we're gonna do on another video. It is sealed. Let me just cut it open real quick. This has a product in it that is safe for your skin. And okay, this is just the outside packaging. This is the actual product itself in here. Moon Moose Magic Makeup Repair. And it has very high ratings. It comes with some tools, and it comes with the mousse. And, you know, people, when you're pressing your palette, I've done a couple where I've just used a little bit of water. You can use alcohol, but then that alcohol is going to go on your face. So it just depends what you like, what you want to do. This is a liquid, and it's when you pump it out of here, it's going to pump out like a mousse. And you're going to put it on top. You're going to, we'll figure it out together. You're going to work on your palette, and then you're going to put that on top, and that's going to help seal it, so to speak. This comes with a little spatula. You can see that it's just black. It has the handle here, and then where you can press in, and then it comes with this stamp. I looked at stamps and everything. That's how I found this, is I was looking for stamps. I was looking for something round, not easy to find. This is a square stamp, you can see, and the other end you can use also. So when you're pressing your eyeshadow back in, or your blush, or your bronzer, whatever it is you broke, this is the tool you can use, as well as this. And then Moon Mousse, it does explain it a little bit. It says, sweep the powder back into the pan, break up powder as much as possible with a spatula. So you could do this yourself, or you could use this to make it really nice and fine. Pack, press tightly, and then you'll dispense your mousse. So we're gonna try to do that. Oh, there is another press in here. I forgot about this. Okay, this one's round. I forgot. I was thinking there was a round, but I looked at so many things. So you've got this small end, and then you've got this giant end. This is great for a blush, or a blush or a bronzer. So this will help me press my eyeshadows back into the palettes that are broken. So I'm just gonna have to figure out I'm so used to you know, recording this way. I have recorded looking down at my table. I've done it a couple of times. So we're gonna see in a future video, we're gonna try this and see what happens, okay? We're gonna see if this might save a palette or two. So that's what I got. Thank you so much to Arlene, and thank you so much to T for sending me the gift cards. It was very unexpected. I was just, it was very, very thoughtful and very unexpected, and I can't thank you both enough for being so kind to me. And I'm going to show you what I'm wearing. And I do want you to go see those ladies, please. Let me show you what I'm wearing. I have on my lips today. I did sort of, I don't know, I did something a little different, a little ombre kind of a thing going on. So I may have shown you this lip liner before. This is called the Kisser Fixer. It's a waterproof gel lip liner, and it is in the color Wine Nude. So I see that there's a little dirt on my phone. I hope that speck isn't in our way. Whoops. So there it is. So it's a little darker. And then I have on this Huda Beauty. This is getting old. You might be able to see, you know, I've used it a lot. This is in the color, I just looked at these things, but you think I can remember, Angelic. And I put this on and have a little bit of an ombre effect going on, sort of, a little bit, sort of. Whoops. Well, anyway, this is beautiful. I love Huda's lip. This is called Lip Strobe, and it's beautiful. It's real shiny. It stays wet, but it's not sticky, so that's okay with me. And then on my eyes, I have this Cab Cosmetics. This is it's called Day and Night, and it is there. Maybe you can see that. It's just you can't even feel it. It's just shiny on the matte black. So Day and Night it's called. And this palette's been around a long while, and I've gotten this palette a bunch of times, and I kept giving it away, and I finally used it. It has a nice magnet closure, and it has a mirror on one side, and it's not my favorite, but it's got some pretty colors in there. I wanted something with some oranges going on, so because I was sort of matching it to my blouse, I've got a little orangey stuff going on in here. So that's what I did. That's what I used. And thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got with my gift cards. And like I said, we'll do a video sometime in the future and see how that works. I'm hoping it's going to work, y'all. And y'all take care and count your blessings. I'll put links for things down below. The MagSafe stuff, I'm not going to put links for. If you're interested, ask me, because you can find a million things. You can pay really expensive for MagSafe stuff, and you can pay inexpensive. But I'll put the Tervis, and I'll put the Moon Mousse, and this tobacco chopper, if I can find that one. Because I think they sold out soon after I got it. But they may have it back again. Thank you all for stopping by. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.